Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. My name is Chef Ayesha and this is my channel. So a channel whereby we make cuisines around the world. So if you enjoy eating and cooking recipes around the world, then this channel is for you. Why not subscribe, like, comment and share? That way you too get to recommend my videos and you also get to benefit by learning diverse recipes across the world. So today I'm going to show you how to make bechamel sauce for your lasagna. So for this bechamel sauce we need some whole milk, approximately, let's say 2.5 cups of whole milk. We need approximately 5 tablespoons of plain flour. We need some ground nutmeg, and we need some butter, and of course salt to taste. Let me take you through the process. So guys, I have a clean pan on fire and I'm just gonna put approximately 4 tablespoons of butter.
I should see the cuisine, a place where your cooking is a careful. I should see the cuisine,
So guys,
a place where your cooking is a careful. I should see the cuisine. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Aisha's unique cuisines. Aisha's unique cuisines. Come on, Aisha's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Aisha's unique cuisines. Come on, Aisha's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Aisha's unique cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Aisha's unique cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you, and you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. That way you too get to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos.
Be consistent with it. If you leave it on fire without attending to it, the sides are gonna burn, consequently resulting in it infusing into your sauce. You wouldn't want that, so you have to be persistent in stirring, and to avoid it burning as well, ensure that you lower the fire, not on a high heat, not too high. This is the texture we're going for. It's ready, so I'm just gonna set this aside. You can allow it to cool down, and then you can obviously use it for your lasagna. So I hope you like the recipe. Until then, give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you.